Hi, it's Peter here from PSD Grounds Care. Today we're taking a look at the Canycom CMX1404 14 horsepower ride-on brush cutter. So this machine comes fitted with a Honda GX390 engine. It's a premium engine that will always deliver high performance. It's a unique shaft drive system that we have going to the cutting deck, which ensures optimum power from the engine to the blade. We have dual control, so we have a foot pedal down to the bottom here, and we've got a hand lever. In certain applications, it's beneficial to use the foot control if you need to keep both hands on the steering wheel. And in other applications, you might want to use this lever, which just means that you can put your legs out if you're slightly taller. We also have the added benefit of these foot guards that come out down here to give us optimum comfort whilst we're using the machine for long periods of time. If we come over onto the left-hand side of the machine, here we have a parking brake. We've then got selectable 2- and 4-wheel drive. So down here we have the throttle. We've got an eco mode on there if we're mowing in slightly shorter grass, so we don't have to have the machine run at full revs. An LED light as standard. Another nice added feature is that we can adjust the steering column up and down so we can get in a really comfortable position on the machine. And there's also a warning light which advises us when we're working up to the maximum angle of 25 degrees. To complement the 4-wheel drive system, we also have a rear differential lock, which offers us extra traction when we really need it. We have a 2-speed transmission lever, so we can adjust between high and low range. The low range is for mowing, and the high range is for transport, meaning we can get between jobs faster. Here we have our lever for adjusting the cutting deck. It will actually go from 0 up to 150 mil, which is the highest in its class in this category. Down here we've got an adjustable dial, which means we can preset the cutting height to where we want. If we come around to the front of the machine, you can see you've got a very heavy duty bull bar. This offers 2 benefits. Firstly, it offers protection, and also it helps to crush any material and it will guide them underneath the machine. You then have a heavy duty guard, and that will stop any material from flying out the front of the machine. You've also got a cast steel front axle, which again is unique to Canycom. A lot of our competing machines in the market are using an aluminium axle. This is a much stronger axle, very well engineered. Taking a closer look at the cutting deck, it's a very heavy duty construction. It's 975 millimeters wide. The side of the deck also opens up, which is designed for easy access to the blades and for cleaning and maintenance. The blades on this machine are made from samurai steel, which lasts a lot longer than conventional steel blades. They are also reversible halfway through their life. On the top of the deck, we also have a nice handy hose pipe attachment where we can get water into the deck for cleaning after daily cutting. Underneath this cover, we have easy access to the battery, and there's also an isolator switch as well. So if we lift the seat forward, this reveals a storage box. And when we remove that, we then have great access for daily maintenance, servicing and cleaning. Coming to the back of the machine, here we have the Honda engine and the fuel tank, and we've got easy access into the air filter. To the rear of the machine, we've got a little service door, and that gives us great access for any adjustments or greasing that needs to be done. There's also a little plate that can be removed, and this will enable us to fit a tow bar to the back of the machine. We also have 4 strapping points to make transportation simple. So that's it, the 1404. Made in Japan, built to last, and designed to give you hours of mowing pleasure.